Hey friends, what's good? My name is Maggie and today we are going to be doing a no brush beauty blender only makeup tutorial. Alright, so to start off I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiance Primer as per usual, like that. And we're going to put that all over the face. Whew. Let that redness die down a little. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with a combo of Hourglass Vanish Stick and the last remnants of my It CC cream. So I'm gonna go in with the Vanish Stick first. Ooh. It's brand new, so look how pristine that is. I'm going in with just a tiny bit of that. That should be good, right? And then a little bit of the CC cream. So then using my freshly cleaned and dampened beauty blender, I'm gonna go in and just blend that all in. All right, after blending that in, I think I need a little more coverage, so I'm gonna go back in with the Vanish Stick. This is giving really, really beautiful coverage and such a beautiful finish. Ooh, it's pale. That's okay, I'll warm it up later. Like I will say, it is kind of clinging to my dry patches. So if you have some texture on your skin, I would definitely go in with like a hydrating primer first. I'm just gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer and I'm going to dot that over the areas that I need a little extra coverage, which is like a lot of places. But if you don't have skin texture issues, you can skip this part and just move right on to concealing under the eyes, which I do with a different concealer. It's so weird, the way the light is shining on me, it makes my face literally, and like neck to here, look like literally 5 shades lighter than my chest. I swear that's not how I look. Let's see if I step back here. Does it change? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer and I'm gonna go under the eyes with that. There we go. All concealed, minimal feels. Now because we are doing cream products today, I am gonna wait to set it till a little bit later. I'm just gonna use my Milk Makeup matte bronzer on my beauty blender. So while we were doing foundation and concealer with this guy, and a little bit at the top there, we're gonna choose one like third of the side of the beauty blender and just swipe some product on there. And then we're gonna go in and in the same way that we carve out our cheekbones or bronze our face with powder, we're gonna go in and do that with the cream and just place that in the areas you want it most concentrated first and then start to blend out from there. Making sure to go up into the hairline. Go. And I'm just gonna go up around the forehead. And just because it's gonna end up being a pretty like sun-kissed glowy look, I am gonna go just on the sides of my nose, bring some warmth to that part of my face. I'm just gonna try and bronze my neck a little. That doesn't look too weird. That's matching a bit better, hey? Perfect. Next I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade Swish. And same kind of idea. There's the bronzer, turn it 1/3, swipe a bunch of blush on. You're not gonna be able to see it. And lightly, the apples of the cheeks still sweeping up, blending into that bronzer. I am gonna go in and with the flat end, just kind of blend that all together. Blend, 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 blend. Our last step is to go in with a highlight. And so I chose my Fenty Beauty Starstruck Matchstick. And on that last third, we're gonna go in and swipe a bunch of product on there and then go over the cheekbones. Then I'm gonna go and directly apply this underneath the brow bone and blend it out with a finger. Take a little on your fingertip, just go for that inner corner, and if you want, down the bridge of your nose. Now after that's all done, I go in with a translucent powder and I kind of set the face. I'm mostly just going to concentrate this setting powder where I put concealer and in the T-zone area. Now, if you do have blemished skin like I do, you can go in with a concealer again and touch up those areas. The concealer may have moved around a little. There we go. All right, moving on, we're gonna go and start on brows. So brows obviously doesn't change too much. I'm just going to use brow pencil and brow gel. So here I have my Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil, and I'm just gonna go in. I'll zoom you guys in so you can see how I do my eyebrows. Just brushing my brow hairs up, taking the pencil, and I'm going to fill in under here. And a few hair strokes. Right here. Now I'm just gonna go in with a clear brow gel and finish it off. All right, there's brows done. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and then we're pretty much done. I'm using my Bad Girl Bang again. Since this look is pretty light and natural and dewy, I'm not gonna go too hardcore on lashes. Alright, and there you have it. The result of not using any brushes and only using cream products is that your skin just looks super dewy and natural and luminous. The Fenty Beauty highlight, of course, helps with that. Just a little, you know. But yeah, no, I like how it turned out, and hopefully it stays on for a while. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found some use in it, got some tips. And that is that. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.